Peachy Blonde Brilliance. This visionary hair color creation is a masterpiece, tailor-made for the trendsetter of today. Start by misting the hair with CHI Bond and Seal. For our first lightener formula, we will combine CHI Bleach and Shine with 10 volume and 3 pumps of CHI Royal Treatment Bond Rebuilder. This formula will be for the roots of the hair. For our second lightener formula, we will combine CHI Bleach and Shine with 30 volume and 3 pumps of CHI Royal Treatment Bond Rebuilder. Section the hair into 4 quadrants. Using a slicing technique with half-inch sections starting in the front left quadrant, use 10 volume on the roots, 30 volume on mid-sections and ends. Complete the full head using this technique. Only use foils in the front left quadrant. The bang area will be half-inch slices with back-to-back foils with lightening Formula 1. For the 3 remaining quadrants, apply the first lightening formula to the demarcation line from the previous color, then apply lightener Formula 2 to the ends, melting the two together. Allow the hair to process for 40 minutes. Shampoo with Royal Treatment Clarifying Shampoo for 3 to 5 minutes. Condition with CHI Royal Treatment Clarifying Treatment. Our first color formula will be created with the LG CHI Color Master Factory. Color Formula 1, the root area. We will add 1 ounce of 6G, 1 ounce of 6C, and 2 ounces of 10 volume. Color Formula 2, the mid-shaft and ends. Our second color consists of 1 ounce of 8C, 1 ounce of 7C, and 2 ounces of 30 volume. Toner Formula 3, the left blonde section. For our first toner formula, add 1 ounce of 10I, 1 ounce of 10W, 1 shot of violet additive, and 2 ounces of 10 volume. Toner Formula 4, the bang area. The second toner formula consists of a ½ ounce of royal violet and a ½ ounce of 10 volume. Melt Color Formula 2 into the mid-sections and ends. Apply Toner Formula 3 to the left quadrant. Section the bangs into 3 triangle subsections, applying Toner Formula 3 to the first triangle subsection. Apply Toner Formula 4 to the middle subsection of the bang. Apply Color Formula 3 to the last triangle subsection. Shampoo the hair using CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Shampoo. Follow with CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Conditioner. Now for the haircut. Section the top of the head into 2 quadrants, leaving out the bangs. Create a V section at the crown area. Set the guideline at the crown. Trim the middle section up to the guideline, employing point cutting at the tips. Perform point cutting on the left and right side. Bring the hair forward and point cut. Take the guide section to the back and point cut. Now the bottom section. Proceed to the back section, lifting it 90 degrees, and point cutting using the crown guideline. Finally, for the curtain bangs, apply CHI Bond and Seal to add moisture to the hair. Section a small V shape into the bangs. Twist the V shape 360 degrees and point cut. Use the left section as a guide, pulling over to the right section of the bang and point cut. This technique helps to create slightly longer sides for face framing. Cut from the inside to the outside to ensure balanced length on each side of the bangs. Create a middle part and slide cut each section to soften the ends of the hair. Lift a 1-inch section 90 degrees and point cut to add volume to the bangs. Repeat the process on the left and right sides of the bangs. Return to the starting guideline and take a slice from the top right and left sections, cutting at a 90-degree angle with the guideline. Bring the slice from the crown to the bang area, cutting at a 90-degree angle with a point cut. Take 1/2-inch slices from the left and right sections, bringing them to the middle guideline at a 180-degree angle and point cut. Adjust the guideline to 90 degrees and use the shears to slide along the end for a seamless cut. Recheck each section back to the guideline and perform a double-check cut. This is Peachy Blonde Brilliance from Rouge de CHI.